Mila, should we make a video? Should we make a video? Yes. Yes. Welcome to today's video on how to walk a reactive dog. This is how we learn to walk our dog from a positive reinforcement trainer. The first tip is to always use a harness because it is how you will have the most control over your dog and they feel safe and you feel safe and everyone feels safe. My next tip is to be present and be aware of what or who the dog is watching so that you are not caught off guard. Good girl. So when we go for walks, I always take cut up treats, high value treats. These are hot dogs, one of her favorites. And the treats are really important because these are what's gonna get her attention away from whatever else she's reacting to. And I would say we did a lot of training at home with her as well. Like when we used to walk her, even if she just saw birds, like she would be reacting. Now she's really good. She won't react at birds, sometimes reacts at squirrels. So I'm gonna see if we can find a squirrel to do an example. Okay, so here's a good example. Mila sees a squirrel. You see that squirrel? And what's going on over there? She's interested. Oh, she's like kind of really well trained at this point. But basically every time she sees a squirrel and doesn't bark at it, Mila, good girl. Yes. Good girl. We treat her. And that begins the association of squirrels, outdoors, with positive things like hot dogs. I'll see if we can get a better clip. Then you, Mila, good girl. Good girl. So she notices the squirrel. Good girl. And she's shaking. That shaking off means she was stressed, meaning she was really holding something back. But good girl, Mila, good girl. And I'll also add, notice the environment that we're in. She's peeing. Like, I purposefully bring her to a place where I know there's going to be limited interaction with other dogs, since I know how she is with other dogs. If you are able to do that, definitely do. I mean, if you live in a place and you don't have a car where you can drive to a quiet park like this, I would just suggest getting to know what times the dogs in your neighborhood are out so that you can time your walks at a different time so there's just no problems. And we're also tiring her out, which is a good thing for dogs with behavioral problems. And that is how we walk our reactive dog. I know I didn't get some good shots, but at this point she's pretty well trained. She still can't get too close to other dogs or else she'll have a problem, but for the most part she is doing pretty well. Good girl. And yeah, good girl. You want water? Good girl, come on. You want cold water? Okay. Girl, you want this? Come on. Go on. Good girl. Ready? Roll over. Roll over. Show me your tummy. Good girl. Roll over. Tummy. Show me your tummy. No? You did pretty good. Alright. Proud of you.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.